The dollar versus Swiss franc bottomed on Friday within a key swing area target, and since then we've seen a modest rise to the upside. Today's corrective action did take the price to a higher level since the low, but we've seen a rotation back to the downside thanks to the weaker than expected U.S. housing start data. We are approaching a key technical level. I'll talk about that and the other technicals that are driving this currency pair in this video, so let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart, this is the low swing area that I talked about in my pre-video commentary. This level is defined by a different swing highs and swing lows. So we're here before moving to the upside. We came back down to that area, found support buyers during this week, forced its way to the upside where we had a double top up here, forcing the price back to the downside. And trading on Friday, the price did move back into that area. And this week we've seen a steady rise to the upside after the bounce kicked in trading here today. We moved up to a new high, a corrective high, but fell short of the next key target up here near the 0.9062 level, and we've since rotated to the downside thanks to that housing start data. Now, if I take a look at the hourly chart, you can see the key technical level that I'm focused on in the short term for this pair, and it is represented by the 100-hour moving average. And trading on Friday, or on yesterday's trade, we came up toward that 100-hour moving average and did find willing sellers against that level, modest sellers, which pushed the price lower into the close. But in the Asian session, we moved back above. And although the moving average was moving lower, we did, and the price did move lower, we did hold against that moving average, basing and moving to the upside, making new highs off of the corrective high off the low. However, since that housing start data, we've seen increased momentum to the downside, and we're back down testing that 100-hour moving average. That level comes in at 0.90208. That's going to be the key barometer for me and for traders here today. As long as the price can remain above that level, we bounce back above it again. Well, the buyers are in play, but with work to do, we need to get back up to, let's say, the 200-hour moving average into this swing area right through here. Alternatively, if we do break below that level, the sellers are back in control, and I expect the buyers to turn back to sellers again and start to probe toward our lows, which includes the swing area on the downside between the 0.908965 and 0.8974 as a possibility going forward. So that's my tactical look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.